This video will cover beginner questions regarding the topic of factoring polynomials by grouping. This is the first question. When you see the factoring by grouping with the 4 terms, group the first 2 terms and the last 2 terms. So factor out x in the first 2 terms, that y minus 1. There's nothing to factor out in the last 2 terms, just y minus 1. The y minus 1 is the common factor, so take out y minus 1, and x plus 1 is here. If you don't like this way, use substitution. Let y minus 1 be a. Here, x times large A plus large A, and then factor out a. That x plus 1 is left over, and then go back to original. A was y minus 1, so y minus 1 times x plus 1. So you have same answer. It's more easy. This is the next question. Factor out x in the first 2 terms, x, then y plus z, and minus y in the last 2 terms, z plus y. Then same, then this one changed order, y plus z, so same. And then take out common factor, which is y plus z. The leftover is x minus y. This is final factored form. This is the next question. Factor out x squared in the first 2 terms. So x squared, then x plus 1, then minus 4 in the last 2 terms. So x plus 1, then x plus 1 is common factor. So factor out x plus 1. The leftover is x squared minus 4. This is not the final factored form because x squared minus 4 is the difference of squares. Use the formula, which is a squared minus b squared equals a plus b, a minus b. So we can rewrite as x squared minus 2 squared. And then final factored form is x plus 1, then x plus 2, x minus 2. This is the next question. This problem is different from the previous 3 problems. A polynomial with 2 or more variables can be grouped by sorting into the variable with the lowest degree. This is very important. In this polynomial, the highest degree of x is 3, but the degree of y is 1. So you can divide into groups without y and with y. These 2 and these 2. Factor out x in the first 2 terms. So x squared plus 1 and minus y in the next 2 terms. So 1 plus x squared. So actually x squared plus 1 and 1 plus x squared is the same. Take out this common factor. And left over is x minus y. This is the final factored form. This is the last question. Usually when factoring a polynomial with 4 terms, it is divided into 2 groups of 2 terms, but sometimes it isn't. If 3 terms form a perfect square trinomial, it is divided into 1 term and 3 terms. So we can rewrite as 1 minus x squared first, and then minus 2xy. The last one is y squared. So the factored form is x minus y squared. And this one is the difference of the squares. So a squared minus b squared form. So a part plus b part. And then a part minus b part. Then expand. So 1 plus x minus y. Then 1 minus x. And then plus y. That is the final factored form. I hope this video has been helpful. Check out the Polynomials playlist for the previous lessons. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.